So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys the OXO Good Grips Mini Complete Grate and Slice set, okay? And that's what you're looking at right here. And the reason I got this was really just because I wanted to be able to grate my cheeses and slice my cucumbers, but I wanted something in a more compact form, something that wouldn't take a lot of space in my kitchen. And guys, this is so awesome because there's actually a container that you can keep your actual blades in, the actual components of this grate and slice set. And so I'm going to go ahead and unbox it with you guys so you guys can see what's included within it, okay? So as you guys can see, this is what it's going to essentially contain, okay? And we're gonna go ahead and just open it up just so you guys can see what it is that we got and what you would get as well, okay? So let's go ahead and open it up. Let's see what's contained within it. Oh my God, this is so cute, you guys. Look how compact this is. Look at this. Look how compact, how super small, how simple, okay? What a perfect way to actually carry the items that you're using for this set. So we're just gonna open it up. Oh my gosh, this is so perfect. I'm gonna take this bad boy out and let me show you guys what is within this set, okay? So first, of course, you've got your container. Oh, this is great. And the container itself has the markings for your measurements right over here. 1 cup, half a cup. This is wonderful. That's an added bonus to it, okay? Then, of course, we've got our non-slip handle here. Let me go ahead and take this out. Hopefully it's already open here. Here we go. This is our non-slip feet and handle, okay? So you'd put the item, you'd attach your food item over here, and of course, use it over the blades, right? And then we've got a cheese grater over here. We've also got another slicer over here. This is great, you guys. And then another grater over here for larger pieces. This is wonderful. It's exactly what I was looking for. And then everything just goes right in here, as you guys see, right inside. Oh, this is wonderful. This is wonderful. Oh my goodness. Look how well this gets placed in here. Boom. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So anyway, just wanted to share this with you guys, and I hope this video helps.